In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Hubspot CRM. This is a straightforward process and we'll break it down step by step so you can easily follow along. Whether you're doing this for security reasons or just want to refresh your login credentials, this guide will have you covered. First, we need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. This will take you to the main HubSpot page, where you can access all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the Login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the login screen. At this point, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be on the HubSpot home dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing different CRM functionalities. Now, to begin the password change process, look for your profile icon, which should be visible usually in the top right hand corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile avatar and a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, you need to select Profile and Preferences. Clicking on this option takes you to your personal settings, where you can customize your account details and preferences. Next, locate and select Security on the left hand side of the page. This section is where you manage your account's security settings. Here, you can update various security features, but our focus today is on changing your password. Now, to change your password, look for the option that says Reset Password. Clicking on this will guide you through the steps to set a new password. It's essential to create a secure password that you haven't used before, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. If you're worried about forgetting your new password, consider using a password manager for safe storage. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then follow any on-screen prompts to save your changes. After completing these steps, your new password will be updated, and you'll need to use this new password the next time you log into HubSpot. And that's it, you've successfully changed your password in HubSpot CRM. Taking the time to ensure your account is secure is always worthwhile, and changing your password regularly is a great practice. Thank you for watching and following along with this video. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.